Are we doing a full head or a half head? And the difference between a full head, so all the underneath as well?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to go blonde, blonde, blonde.
Blonde.
Sweet.
Super blonde.
I love it. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chuck. I'm a hairdresser and salon owner in Austin, Texas. In today's video, we're taking this grown-out balayage and brightening it up. Like a lot. This gorgeous client of mine just graduated from nursing school, and she just landed her dream job. So, a big congrats to her. Okay, you know what time it is. Let's paint. I call this technique Sunrise Balayage. I'm slowing things down in this video on a few sections and showing you guys the techniques that I use to create this look. First, I'm panel painting these first few sections. I don't paint the lightener on heavy so it doesn't get super light. I just love softness in these lower panels, and it really allows the brighter pieces that I paint up top to really pop. I use Sunrise Balayage film to separate my pieces. I do focus the lightener just a little heavier at the front hairline in some of these lower panels to frame her face. I'm building the lightener on slowly on each panel using long sweeping motions. This will keep everything very soft and blended and beautiful. I'll keep this panel at normal speed so you can really see how long I spend blending the lightener up. This is important for a soft grow out. I'll demonstrate on this panel and then speed things up until I reach the next technique. And if you have any specific questions about what I'm doing here, please feel free to drop them in the comments below. On this panel and through her part line, I'm separating out the points of light. I'm painting the lightener on much heavier on these pieces to achieve a much lighter result. As I move down the panel, I slowly marry the single pieces together where I want the most light to start in her hair, and then I turn my brush and sweep the product up the panel, quickly pulling away to blend the stronger highlight pieces with the heavily painted bottom. This keeps the color from looking stripy. Again, I'm going to finish this panel and then I'm going to speed things up again. I'll repeat the same process on the other side before moving on to the back. mom told me back when I first did her hair, you created a monster now, and I was like,
oh,
I didn't create that monster, you did, you brought her here.
That's true.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. I've tried some time, and I'm dying to tell you. You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. I've realized, and I'm dying to tell you.
Alright, my love, you are all set.
Thank you
You
so
look
much.
so good.
I'm so happy.
Yeah.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. I've tried some time, and I'm dying to tell you. You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. No, I've realized, and I'm dying to tell you.